term millionaire was coined at the beginning of the 1900s, and millionaire was impressive back then. My 1963 Aston Martin DB5, when it was first sold, cost £4,100. Can you imagine the spending power of £1 million back when the fastest, most exotic car in the world was £4,000? A millionaire meant something. You could buy mansions, multiple mansions, set your family up for life. The term millionaire is still thrown around as some kind of accolade, but the true difference between millionaire in the early 1900s and millionaire now is maybe 90, 100 times. Being a millionaire in 1920, you'd have to be worth 150 now to brag about the same level of wealth and spending power. So people want to brag about having a $100,000 salary, this magical 6 figures. Well, 6 figures doesn't actually mean anything anymore, does it? Because the problem with 6 figures is, one, you pay 40% tax because taxes are eating your ass, and you're left with $60,000 every single year. That is not much money at all. You're expected to have a house and a family and raise some kids on it. A Big Mac or a Whopper is about $6 in today's economy. That's 10,000 sandwiches per year. That's it, 10,000 sandwiches. 30 sandwiches per day is all you can afford, and you make 6 figures. 30 sandwiches, enough to feed you and your friends? It's embarrassing. Your 6 figures doesn't mean anything.